So you want to get some money? Stay tuned. What's good? It's your boy Chill Will. Welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode, I'm going to be explaining the 3 things you need before investing. And trust me, you don't want to be living with 4 others in a living room in North Hollywood. I've seen it. But all jokes aside, no matter how talented you are, how many gigs you book, how much money you make, without knowing financial literacy, you'll never be good with your money and you'll never be able to take your career to the next level. So in this video, you're going to be getting that starter pack to help you level up. And make sure you stay to the end. I'm going to be telling you about 2 free apps that are crucial to your financial health. And do me a favor, since you're here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get it. So the first thing, get out of debt. You can't hustle backwards. You can't be thinking about making money when you owe money. So with getting out of debt, I recommend 2 methods. The first one is the avalanche method. First, list out all your debt and then find out which debt has the highest interest. So the debt with the highest interest, we're going to be giving more money to that. The rest of the debt, we're going to be paying the minimum payment, and we're going to repeat that until you're out of debt. The next one is a snowball method. The snowball method also lists out all your debts, but it goes from the cheapest to the most expensive. So you have a debt for $50, bam, we knock that out. The next debt is $65, bam, we knock that out, etc., until it goes up. Like I said, it goes off your personality. For me, I chose to use the avalanche. I wanted to get the most interest out, save the most money, and attack it, and that's what I did. Now that you got a plan to get out of debt, what's your net worth? Do you even know what net worth is? It's your assets minus your liabilities. So we'll keep it simple. Say you have $1,000 in your bank account, and you have an outstanding debt of $500. Your net worth is $500. So now that you know your net worth, it's your job to steadily increase your net worth over time. You want to be a millionaire, right? Now we have to get in the mindset and start thinking like millionaires think. Now that we got a plan to get out of debt, we know about net worth, we have to stop using our debit card. Think about it. Do you get free points? Do you get free mileage? Do you get cash back from using your debit card? No. The only thing most people like about the debit card is you get overdraft protection. So if you know you low on funds on Wednesday, but your deposit gonna hit Thursday night, you're gonna spend that couple extra bucks saying, if I get that fee, that's cool. I still need to go out. No, you have to get out that mindset. That's a fixed mindset. We're in a growth mindset. We have to think like a millionaire and act like a millionaire. So get rid of your debit card. You can still have your bank account, but stop using your debit card. You need to get your credit card that's gonna offer you cash back or rewards. Don't you want to travel for free? Stay at hotels for free? Get cash back from the purchases that you make. Say you're on Facebook or on Instagram. Don't you want to get cash back from running ads? These are the things people are doing. You have to make as much as your money work for you instead of the other way around. You're never going to get anywhere in life if you're trading your time for money. Trust me. Now that you're in that growth mindset, you got to learn how to fix your credit. Simple Google search will help. Go on YouTube, read a book, ask people, learn about it. You have to fix your credit. Credit is worth more than money. So if you have that millionaire mindset, you have to fix your credit. Once you start fixing your credit, now you can start applying for credit cards. If your credit is still bad, get a secure credit card where you have to put it on deposit with a financial institute that you want to build a relationship with. Who do you think has the best card for cashback, rewards, or whatever perk or benefit that you're looking to gain in your portfolio? Once you have that down, go get a secure credit card with them and take it to the moon. Now that we out of debt, got a little money stacked up, what to do with it? I would recommend the stock market. You can literally change your life in the stock market, supplement your income, and it's all type of different ways to trade based off your personality. Do your own research. It's for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. But a couple of apps that I would recommend for trading are Robinhood and Webull. Robinhood, very user-friendly, very easy to use. Doesn't even feel like you trading. That's how easy to use, and that's what rose its popularity up so quick. The one that I use mostly is Webull. It's a little bit more advanced. It has a stop loss profit. It gives you a level 2 trading where you get all the analytics, all the charts, candle lights, the moving average, the MAC, everything that you start to get adequated with once you dive into the world of stocks real deeply. But just to begin, just stick with Robinhood or Webull. Then once you season and you get in it and you making some money, then elevate the trade station. Remember, everything in life has levels to it. Once you're on trade station, you in and out of multiple positions. Your margin account is big. You get interest 4% on one of their stable coins. So if you have a sizable account, your money is making money while you day trading, swing trading, whole long term. It's endless possibilities. But to start off, Robinhood and Webull. And if you click the link below, you get free stocks in either one. Of course, I get a little kickback, but it doesn't cost you nothing, so it's a win-win for everybody. Now that we reached the videos, I promise you 2 bonus apps that are completely free. I'm even going to throw in the third one so you can have the whole trifecta. The first app is Credit Karma. You get 2 out of the 3 credit bureau scores. It tells you your inquiries. It tells you everything you can do to raise it. It has a simulator score right in the palm of your hands. Once you get that, get experience. Now you have all 3 of your credit scores in the palm of your hand, free all year. And once you have that, it's no excuse but to make a plan and start attacking it. Stick to it. Consistency is everything. After that, I will get Mint. Mint is going to show you everything that you've been spending each month, whether it's on gas, food, etc. You can categorize all your spending. So if you've been spending more money that you wanted to last month on fast food, now you can see in the next month, okay, now I need to cut back. And it gives you a snapshot of your net worth. You can even hook up your investment accounts or your bank accounts, your credit card, so you can have a one-stop shop to see where's your money going. And each day and each week, you can monitor your net worth. So you can be like, okay, my net worth in January is 1,000, February is 1,500. March it may be 1750, but you can see a steady growth and you can see where your money going, so you can start to pull back, rewrite the play, execute in a different way. But I will get those 3 apps and they're all completely free. Credit Karma, Experian, and Mint, both on the iOS and Google Play. So now that you got that free game, you definitely won't be sharing the living room with 4 other people in North Hollywood. You don't got to be a starving artist. You could take your own destiny in your own hand. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It's your boy Chill Will. And remember, life is easier when you got your finances in order, and the underdog will rise. Yes, sir.